Welcome back to The Brief. Think of the future and imagine just flicking a switch and a printer in your home creates just about any object you can think of. That is 3D printing. Simply provide the raw material and the software directs the printer movements. Now, 3D printing is becoming widely available and cost-effective for manufacturing just about anything, including tools and machine components, in outer space even, decorative objects, even artwork and clothing. Of course, the technology can be controversial. The U.S. State Department last year ordered a website to take down software it had posted online that enabled users to print guns. But it also may have huge social and medical benefits. Biotech companies are already studying how to use 3D printing to make artificial tissue, artificial limbs, and other body parts. And check this out. Right now, research is underway to use 3D printing technology to build houses. In fact, entire neighborhoods in a matter of days or hours. Its developer, University of Southern California engineering professor Baruch Khoshnevis, says the money, energy, and manpower this could save would make it perfect for building emergency and low-income housing and even communities on the moon. Yes, NASA is talking to him, and so did we, asking if we could 3D print and transform the developing world.
Well, I definitely think that 3D printing has a great potential for doing so. The technology has become relatively recently popular in the field of manufacturing. That is, we have started looking at ways of building 3D objects, primarily using layering approach. However, in the field of construction, we have been doing the same thing for thousands of years. Bricklaying is, for example, layer-wise fabrication technology that people have used for several millennia. So in a way, 3D printing of buildings is already proven. What is left to be done is bringing the tools of the digital age, which are like the architectural software front ends, computer-aided design tools, and then the robotic systems that can basically implement the process of construction.
Professor Khoshnevis, how far can this technology go? How fast is it going to get there?
Well, of course, the speed of development is bound by the limit of resources available. So right now there are a lot of expressions of interest by investors who want to push the technology forward by investing in the R&D activities and commercialization process. Really, as far as how far it can go, I think there is no practical limit on what we can imagine. So what I like to do while I'm still around is to see this utilized worldwide, most specifically for emergency shelter construction. A lot of people lose their houses in a few seconds, like in an earthquake. They definitely want rapid replacement, dignified buildings, not tents or boxes. A lot of people are uprooted due to a natural disaster and war. So I really like to be able to provide a more responsive tool for them. Also for low-income housing, about 1 billion people in our planet live in slums and really very bad condition. And this impacts really the progress of human civilization in many ways. We have to eradicate those, and we have to bring the standard of living up everywhere in the world. And I think technology is the most effective tool to do it.
Professor Baruch Khoshnevis, I want to thank you very much for being with us and sharing some of your enthusiasm and ideas.
Thank you.